holding here at AWKA, the light of the nation, Anambra State. Here in Anambra, the birthplace of APGA. APGA, Anambra is APGA land. And I want to welcome all of you, the entire country, to Anambra State, the home of APGA. APGA is Anambra, Anambra is APGA. Welcome to the All Progressive Grand Alliance. I want to say to Nigeria, we are in APGA because we are the true believers in Nigeria. We are the true believers in the greatness of Nigeria. This is the first political party registered with progressive in its name 21 years ago. This is the only political party, the first political party that was registered in its constitution, makes a commitment to true federalism. Only a restructured Nigeria will move Nigeria forward. There is consensus in it. But before others came to it, APGA was the first political party to realize that the future of Nigeria lies in true federalism in a restructured Nigeria. This is the home Grand Alliance of all progressives. And today we remember our forebears in the mode of Nnamdi Kanu, the AWKA, the Ojukwu, the Nnamdi Kanu, and Awolowo, and all the progressives who have come before us. We call on all Nigeria. This is home for all progressives in Nigeria. APGA is the home for all progressives in Nigeria, and this is a grand alliance. The big job will begin after the election. For the election coming up next month and the March, we are asking Nigerians to vote for APGA all the way. APGA all the way. APGA is the party, is the grand alliance of all progressives. In Anambra, where we have held sway for 16 going to 17 years, we've continued to give the Anambra progressive leadership. And this we intend to mainstream throughout the entire country. So we vote for APGA wherever they are, and we beckon on all true progressives in Nigeria that this is your home, because we are the true believers in Nigeria. APGA all the way. We are painting the place around. We are welcoming you to the southeast. APGA in Anambra, APGA in the southeast, APGA in Nigeria declares that the southeast is free. Everybody is free. We are Republicans. We are Democrats. We allow everybody to come and campaign and canvass freely. Here in Anambra, we've given to other political parties the opportunities that even some of the candidates running never gave to anybody when they were there. We have a level playing field and we give equal opportunities to everybody. Anambra is home for all. Because we are from Anambra and we are from the southeast, we are in everybody's village. We cannot afford to be an itinerant people, cannot afford to be an intolerant people. And that is why we welcome everybody to come here and campaign freely. I get the federal government under Buhari for the second Niger bridge. We will thank him for the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. We thank him for other infrastructural development now being, Enugu-Onitsha Expressway being done now by MTN. We thank him all. We also thank him for the support he has been giving to security agencies in helping us fight insecurity in the southeast. But here is the big one. As the security people say, we need kinetic and non-kinetic approaches to solve this problem. We thank you for all the kinetic in terms of the force. We have also inaugurated the Truth, Justice and Peace Committee in Anambra to go to the root causes, immediate and remote causes of the insecurity in the southeast. And that committee, that commission is completing its work. We're also engaging the youth and implementing various forms of non-kinetic engagement. But it is now time for the federal government to help us with the last leg of this non-kinetic approach. We now need all the major stakeholders in the security project in the southeast to come around the table and for us to discuss. For us to discuss the security and prosperity of the southeast. And I now want to appeal and plead and request and demand of the federal government and our able president, led by the able President Buhari, that a critical person required around that table for that conversation to be complete, for us to have an all-round approach to dealing with the issue of insecurity and discussing about the future of the southeast. That person, and we need him urgently around the table. Please release him to us, and that is Nnamdi Kanu. I'm calling on the federal government to please release Nnamdi Kanu. I have to release Nnamdi Kanu. We need him around the table because we believe that we now want to have a comprehensive heart-to-heart conversation about the future of the southeast, about the future security and prosperity of the southeast. No one should be left behind. Everybody should be there. If we cannot release him unconditionally, as requested by the court judgments and so on, I now offer to be the shorty. Release him to me. I will keep him. Release him to me. Release him to me. Release Nnamdi Kanu to me. Solution is here. Solution is here. I will bear it. I will keep him. I will provide him shelter. And anytime that you need him, we'll bring him to you. Give him to me. We will house him here in AWKA. Solution let us bring this insecurity in the southeast to an end. That's why APGA believes in one Nigeria. APGA believes in the security and prosperity of Nigeria. We make this plea in true belief and conviction that leaving no one behind and bringing all the key stakeholders in the security and prosperity project. When Nigeria is ready, APGA will give Nigeria the true progressive development.